So the family situation that we will be discussing today in the ayahs that are coming is also an exceptional situation about marriage and about divorce. Okay. So basically what happens is a family is formed when a person, a male and a female, they get married. And in Islam, that contract is called nikah. So they go through the process of nikah. And this is like a binding agreement on both of them. So they are about to start a new family. And in this family, obviously, they will be running a household. And it's like, as we discussed earlier as well, I just wanted to remind you guys of why is husband and wife relationship and why the household and why there is a need for even these laws. It's very, very important because they form the basic governance unit of a society. What do I mean by basic governance unit of a society? Basically, when husband and wife they get married via nikah, so this is like a contract, they are now forming a family of their own, right? This family is like a household. Let's say there is a family, a man, his wife, and their children. Now they are in a household. Now this household needs a proper running. So somebody needs to earn money, okay, and they need to bring in the money, and then somebody needs to manage the expenses. They need to do the groceries, they need to manage the car, they need to manage the car, house rent. So all of these things are required. Someone needs to manage all these things. Normally these are the parents who are managing these things. Once kids get older and they get older, they can also contribute to helping their parents, and they should contribute to help their parents in the governance unit of this household. Now the society, as we call it, or a community which has many households, is a collection of households, right? What is a society? If you zoom out and if you take a helicopter ride, what will you see on down from the plane, for example? You will see different houses. So these houses basically form a society, and they form a city or a district or a country or the entire world, right? So these are these small collection of families that are living. It is very, very important to have laws that govern this one household and one family unit, because one family unit, if you don't have laws for the family, and if you don't have guidelines for the family, then this will start to impact the broader society as well. Did all of you understand this concept? Why one single house, one family is so important, that the laws, the family laws are also mentioned in the Quran, and Allah SWT himself is talking about it, and the Holy Prophet ﷺ explained it in his hadith, as well as he performed them and showed us in his via his sunnah. Okay, so if the household gets destroyed, if there are no laws governing the household, then this, as I was saying, the entire society can get destroyed. So if one household has, if there are no laws in managing this family unit in properly, and what are the rights of each other, and what are the things that you have to perform for each other, then it is very difficult. So this can have an impact on the broader society.